here, and it creates the button for me. If I make a mistake, I can just come back over here, and I can right-click, and I can initialize the key and get rid of the key. So really simple, really easy. Now, I can take my call manager, I can dock it on the top, I have my buttons on the side, so now I have my phone system information right there ready to go. And then I'm going to click on a link here, which I set up, which is a shortcut, like a favorite. It opens up the Delta web page. And it's going to go out and pull up the Delta web page. So I'm browsing the Delta web page and I'm looking for information, I'm doing whatever I need to do, and I realize, you know what, I need some help. So I can come over here, and here's the phone number. I can highlight the phone number and hit a function key. And by pressing that function key, it's going to dial the phone for me, right? So now, in my particular instance, I'm using a soft phone. I'm using my laptop. I really should have a headset on, and I'll be able to talk. And Sherry and I travel around the country. Our office is in Irvine, California. She's in West Virginia. I'm based in New Jersey. So I'm never really in the office. I'm always remote. But I have the ability to make and place phone calls as if I'm in the office. So I use the Wi-Fi from the hotel and make a phone call. Now, if you're in the office, and when I do get to work in my home office, which will be tomorrow, I have an IP phone sitting at my desk, and I can use the software to control my IP phone. Right? Now, on my IP phone, I have a wireless headset. Right? And so now I go to my call manager, I place a phone call, my IP phone goes into speakerphone mode, hit my headset, and I'm talking. So my IP phone in my office, I'm not a big duster in my office, but it's very dusty because I never touch it. There's no reason to. I use software to do all my calls and make all my calls. Now, if it was a digital phone, so those of you that do have the Toshiba CX system, that's fine. We can control that digital phone. So we can give you this software, most likely with very minor upgrades to the current system, and you can now be able to do what I'm doing here. We do integrate to Outlook, so if you do have Outlook, we can dial from Outlook, we can do screen pops from Outlook. We could also do a screen pop from a lot of different customer management systems or CRM packages that are out there, like Salesforce, Maximizer, Goldmine, to name a few. And what's nice about that is I can have a call come in, and based on the caller ID, screen pops up with information about that client or customer. So again, really trying to be more productive, trying to kind of get ahead of it, knowing even before that person answers the phone, what's going to happen on that call. So really some nice ways to really change just having a phone in your desk to making it more of a production tool. Oh, and by the way, I forgot to show that, but if you notice here, let me bring up what's happening in the world. It's always a bad idea to bring up Yahoo because you're like, oh my God, what's going on? You get distracted. But if you notice here, it's maximized, and I'm able to still use my desktop, but then the call manager's out of the way. So sometimes people worry, well, is this going to get in the way of what I'm doing? I have other app screens open. No, it's kind of docked off to the side. But the good news is you can actually just have Call Manager running in the background. It's minimized. And if you need it, you can hit a function key like F8, and it pops up, or it'll just pop up automatically. So really, we don't want to make it a problem. We want to make it a tool that will help you. Right? Okay. So I did mention that I am running a soft phone in here. So let me go over here. There's my